I'm standing over I-70 at the Genesee, Colorado exit, looking west toward the Continental Divide. And the Continental Divide is basically invisible right now. Snow continues to fall over the higher terrain. Winter storm warnings continue over the Colorado Rockies, including the Front Range to the west of the foothills. So if you're heading west out of Denver, expect deteriorating conditions as you get closer to the Eisenhower Tunnel and including on the western slope. In the higher terrain, winter storm warnings also continue for the southern Rockies and southern Colorado, expecting several more inches of snow down there. Most of the Texas Panhandle is also under a winter storm warning, including New Mexico as well, off to the south. And then ice storm warnings have been issued for parts of western, central, and northern Oklahoma, including Oklahoma City, up here in the Colorado Foothills at about 7,200 feet. It's incredibly frigid out here right now. Temperatures in the single digits, about 7 or 8 degrees out here. Light snow continues to fall. The sun, though, is beginning to emerge up here near I-70, but that heavy snow continues a little bit to the south of us right now as well, down into southern Colorado and those foothills. But the ice storm conditions continue in Oklahoma City, where that Arctic air is just a little bit more shallow, and that's leading to definitely deteriorating driving conditions on those roads. Power outages also a possibility. Trees could come down too as that ice accumulates on those conditions. But out here in Colorado, the winter storm is moving by. The heaviest snow fell across the northern portions of the state from Red Feather Lakes through Fort Collins. Reports of up to 17 inches out here. A little bit less down near the I-70 corridor, about 3 to 5 inches in the higher terrain, but heavier snow up in the mountains closer to the Continental Divide. Here are those winter weather alerts lit up like a Christmas tree across the central and southern Rockies, mainly to the south of I-70. Much of New Mexico is under a winter storm warning there in pink. Texas Panhandle as well. And there's that ice storm warning across western, central, and northern Oklahoma, including the Oklahoma City metro. That's where we're headed next. We're going to blast through these winter weather alerts into central Oklahoma, and then we're going to intercept Zeta with the Surgeonator sensor that just arrived. We're going to have 3 of those live streaming storm surge sensors that are going to be deployed across southeastern Louisiana, Mississippi, maybe Dauphin Island as well. But we are in full-blown chase mode, about to leave the Denver I-70 area, where it is about 9 degrees out here. Only about 3 to 5 inches of snow up here along I-70, but up to 17 inches from Red Feather Lakes east through the Fort Collins area up to near the Colorado-Wyoming border. Hardest hit. Still though, providing much needed relief to the wildfire situation here across the Colorado Rockies and foothills, allowing firefighters to gain an edge on those larger fires like the Cameron Peak and East Troublesome Fire. Definitely much needed moisture up here.